Hey, this is Tim with TAH Farm, and today we're going to finish baling this hay. Going to get it raked. I didn't get any video of it, but yesterday I tedded it a second time, and got done with that. I disconnected the tedder and hooked up the hay rake. So that's what we're going to do today. Get those turned on so I can move them.
Lows in the mid-60s.
Well, we got a little change in plans. I got helpers with me today. I got Katie and Carson, and they're going to help me stack the hay. So, stay tuned.
Yeah, mine's a bit, I guess. Wow. Wow. This is the best story thingy, whatever it's called, ever.
All right, Carson, we're done. Daddy's gonna go clean the field up. And we got close to 35 bales, and I didn't think we'd get over 20. So we did real good. Didn't we, bud? All right. Give me a high five. Fist bump. You gonna tell everybody thanks for watching?
Huh?
Tell everybody thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
All right. Hope you enjoyed.